Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to create or remove user accounts on your ACER Chromebook Spin 713. First of all, we're going to have to sign out of our main account. To do that, go to the Control Center by clicking the tile in the bottom right corner, then go to Power Options and select Sign Out. Wait until you are signed out. And after that, we're going to have to select Add Person right here at the bottom. You'll see this tile. Click on it and then select who you want to set up this account for. So it can be for personal use, for a child, or for work. So let's go with the first option, for example, and then we're gonna have to provide this additional email address for this person that's going to be using this Chromebook. So let's enter the email address for them. And if you want to create an account, there is a separate option for that. Okay, so let's enter the email. And on the following page, we're going to have to enter the password for this user. Then review terms and conditions, select what you want and what you don't want to have on this account. Then click this icon and click Accept and Continue. Then Accept and Continue once again. And then create a PIN code for them. Confirm the PIN code on the following page. Then click Done. Then let's review some additional settings. So if you want to set a preset for their account, you can select which elements that you want to use in it, or just click Skip to proceed to the following step, then click No Thanks. Then you can either set up more features or skip this step for now and do it later in settings, and then click Get Started, and the account will be ready to use right after you select the default web browser. And yeah. So right now, if you want to remove this user, we're going to have to sign out of their account. So first of all, do the same thing that we did before. Select this tile in the bottom right corner and select Sign Out. And now, on the following screen, we're going to have to click this arrow icon next to their account and select Remove Account. And this way you'll remove their account. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.